What'd you get?
A Slinky.
A Slinky.
I got a Slinky.
Yeah. Looks like I got one of those too. Look at this.
Just like Babe Wake.
Yep.
You guys both got Slinkies.
Yeah, I like Slinky.
Your Slinkies are fun.
Maybe there's some more candy. No.
What is that?
Chapstick.
Yes.
Maybe there's some more candy.
Maybe.
More nail polish.
Mm-hmm.
Nail polish?
More.
More.
Maybe there's some more nail polish. Maybe there's some blue. Ooh, pink. Hey, he's got my nail polish.
Oh.
It's not for babies, is it?
No.
He just wants to look at it, though. But yeah, it's safer to move it to the other side.
Look at that card.
Oh, here you go, baby.
There are your socks, baby Blake. Here, Blakey, play with this one.
Maybe there's some more nail polish.
Maybe there is.
More chapstick.
More chapstick.
Blue chapstick.
Blue.
Blue chapstick.
Because blue is what?
My favorite
Your
color.
favorite color.
You give it a hug.
Chapstick on.
Yeah, that sounds great.
You want help? You got it. Does it smell good?
Yes.
What's it smell like?
Chapstick.
Perfect.
I put some chapstick on so I won't be red.
That's good.
Maybe there's some more now. Hey, he got my.
I think he is probably one of those of his own. Or maybe not. Not that baby.
That's.
Actually, I did. Here you go. Here you go, Blakey.
Hey, no, Blakey.
Blake, Blake, look. Look, you got one too. He's like, yeah, that's not as much fun as my own. My own is not as much fun as hers. What else is in there, Zoe?
I know.
I don't know.
Maybe
Oh, there's nothing in it, huh, Blake?
there's some more beer candy.
More bear candy.
But we're not having some. Hey, no. Hey,
She's cute.
mine. Mine.
Here,
Mine.
Blake.
Yeah, we get him.
Oh, we'll get him.
Here, have him rip this.
Come here, baby Blake.
Stuck in.
Can you rip this up?
Wow, there's some more nail polish.
Do it. Do it, Blake. Rip it.
Some more.
How many nail polishes you got?
And there's some more beer candy.
There's another bear candy.
But we're not having some.
Not right now. You gotta
No.
have breakfast first.
Yeah. And open
That's a
presents
cute teddy
first.
bear.
Open the and then we can eat the bear.
Daddy ate it.
What?
Get back. We don't eat ripped stuff.
We don't eat covered stuff.
Blake's like, this is lame.
This is the right
Look at this! Noisy trucks!
Let me get Zoe.
I can't get it to turn
Why?
on.
Or let me get nothing.
Maybe it needs batteries?
Yeah, kind of
Seems kind of weird.
Oh, probably the plastic things have to come off.
More
batteries.
chapstick. More chapstick.
More chapstick.
Oh, there we go. Noisy trucks. What do you think of that, Blake?
More.
You get him? He's like, I'm